when you died and you go to hell or heaven.
When you die and go to hell
Or heaven.
or
You'll be
heaven.
there forever. Oh.
When you die and you go to heaven or hell, unfortunately, you're going to be there forever.
eky'omukisa omubi ogenda kuba mu geyeena oba mu ggulu lubeerera
You will
emirembe gyonna.
you'll not be buried out.
Tebajja kusonyiwa.
There's no any way we can get you out of hell and come back.
Teri ngeri gye bayinza kujja mu geyeena nti nooveeyo nedda.
How do we confirm that?
Tukinyweza tutya?
You read the story of Lazarus and the rich man.
Osoma olugero lwa Laazalo n'omusajja omugagga.
That rich man pleaded.
Omugagga yeegayirira.
The rich man pleaded.
Omugagga yeegayirira.
Can't I be given an opportunity to get out of here?
Tebayinza kumpa kakisa n'enva mu kifo kino.
And Abraham told him, it's too late for you.
Ibulayimu n'agamba nedda kikeerezi toyinza.
You can't be gotten out of there.
Toyinza kuva mu kifo kino.
And then the rich man said,
Omugagga n'agamba,
okay, send Lazarus to go to my family and caution my brethren.
kale tuma Laazalo agende mu famire yaffe abulire baganda
Let
bange.
him go and caution my siblings.
Agende abulire baganda bange abalabule.
And Abraham said,
Ibulayimu n'agamba,
sorry, on earth they have preachers.
nedda ku nsi waliyo ababuulizi,
There is Moses
waliyo Musa
and the other prophets.
ne bannabbi abalala.
If they can't listen to those,
Olaba tebawuliriza abo,
then they can't even listen to somebody who rise from the dead and to go to preach or to caution them.
kitegeeza tebayinza nawuliriza ono azuukidde mu bafu azze kubabuulira mazima.
So it happened that there was no remedy for that rich man.
Kati omusajja oyo teyafuna ddagala,
He
teyayambibwa,
wasn't buried out of the place.
tebaamusonyiwa kuva mu kifo,
He stayed there.
yasigalayo.
So it is better not to go to hell.
Kati kisingako obutagenda mu geyeena.
It's better not to go to there than thinking that maybe I'll go there and spend there 6 months and then I repent and then I get out of hell and then I go to heaven. No, it will be too late for you.
Kisinga kuggwa obutagenda mu geyeena kuba oyinza olowooza nti njagenda mu geyeena nenye emyezi 6 nveeyo ngende mu ggulu. Nedda ojja sigalayo lubeerera, kati togenderayo ddala.